Yeah, yes, man. So this is where we do at the like kind of an application security, like we use like kind of, so instead of using the password-based authentication mechanisms, we use an OAuth-based things with short-lived tokens. And if in case if you're using password-based authentications, it will be like kind of a hashing the passwords along with the salt values. Similarly, the PI data and sensitive data like data masking, encryptions, and tokenization. So tokenization is recently so we have implemented that as a use case, and similarly interceptors logging listeners. So we followed that in recent projects, like for example, the user interface login based mechanism is through WAUth, and where we had a WAUth provider like uh, Cognito, and that validates the credentials and generates a token. And similarly, we integrated for one of the project like Auth0 also. So these are some WAUth providers, and so that will generate a token, and we are setting the token very short-lived token. So even the token duration uh, should not be long, because actually there is a possibility of attacking the token and intruder can use that token. Similarly, we also recently used in kind of logging tools like in ELK and Datadog. So there is a masking of the data, so where the data uh, should not be exposed, especially for the PA data. And encryptions are also very important, where the data should be encrypted. And for every audit mechanisms, interceptors are most important, so that we'll have a log of who has logged in, and at what time they have logged in, and what are in case if any attacks are happening, that at the interceptor levels we can see that.
Yeah.
And code level security, like will avoid the hard coding of the sensitive data, avoiding storage of secrets running at client side scripts. Okay, and we'll use method and domain object security levels, and similarly avoid logging of plain text in client side scripts.